Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix Skype microphone not working on Windows 11. So what you need to do is pretty straightforward and pretty easy, and if this video will help you, write down below the comments if it helped you. So go to bottom, next to the search you're gonna have start button, right click on it, and then under task manager you're gonna see settings. Click on the settings. Then under accessibility you're gonna see privacy and security, click on it, and then you're gonna have microphone under camera, click on it. Right here what you want to do is to allow microphone access, and then you want to find Skype here and have it accessed too. Maybe this is the reason why it wasn't working. So yes, thank you very much, and thank you and goodbye. See ya.